Hello, welcome to Esmimo Gardens. Why so many snake plants? Because snake plants remove toxins. Snake plants are known for their ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins from the air, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Releases oxygen unlike most plants. Snake plants release oxygen at night, which can improve air quality and sleep quality. Reduces allergies by purifying the air. Snake plants can help reduce allergy symptoms caused by airborne pollutants. Protection. Snake plants are thought to protect against evil spirits and negative influences. The upward growth of their leaves is said to represent cutting through obstacles. Good luck. Snake plants are considered lucky plants that attract good fortune, wealth, and abundance. They are believed to bring positive energy and good luck when placed in specific areas. Snake plants can remove toxins from the air, such as xylene, trichloroethylene, toluene, benzene, and formaldehyde. They are believed to remove impure energies and thoughts. Healing. Snake plants are associated with promoting physical and mental well-being. They are believed to reduce stress and allergies and uplift the mood. Symbolism. Snake plants symbolize inner strength, growth, and the ability to overcome obstacles. They are a symbol of resilience, as they can thrive in challenging conditions. Easy to propagate some of this plant. I have grown from cuttings. Snake plants are easy to care for. Can thrive in low-light conditions. All these plants are grown from cuttings. This variegated Laurentier revert back when propagated by cuttings. Easy care. Snake plants are known for being low maintenance and can tolerate neglect, making them a great choice for beginners. Some of the leaves cannot tolerate direct sunlight. Drought tolerance. They are drought resistant and can survive in low water conditions. Low light adaptability. Snake plants can thrive in low light environments, making them suitable in any location in your home. Watch other video when we propagated some of this snake plant by division. Feng Shui. In Feng Shui, snake plants are believed to enhance positive energy and attract good luck. Traditional medicinal uses. Some traditional uses of snake plants include treating ear pain, swellings, boils, and fever. Check out the video. When we cut this cuttings, now we have a root coming out. Place your cuttings in a vase with water. These cuttings have grown roots already, ensuring only a part of the leaf is submerged. Can snake plant grow in water? Yes, absolutely, making sure the water is changed every 7 days. Light. Ensure the plant receives bright, indirect sunlight. Aesthetic appeal. Snake plants have a unique, stylish appearance with their tall, upright leaves, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Enjoy the benefits of this beautiful plant. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.